gonna go to our baby ultrasound 4D, 5D experience at SM North. I cannot wait to see baby girl. We're gonna see her. Hopefully, she cooperates. Sana makita namin yung mukha niya, yung katawan niya, lahat. We'll get a better, clear version of everything. Hey! Go kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. We are gonna see baby girl. Can they see it? Good morning, guys! I would have never thought nung ginagawa namin itong bahay na yung mga unang get ready with me's dito sa aming walk-in closet, I'd be this big. I'd be 28 weeks pregnant. Good morning, guys. I have a mirror behind me because it's so hard to use the camera as your mirror. I'm getting the hang of this. This is officially like one of our first get ready with me's. Today we are gonna go to our baby ultrasound 4D, 5D experience at SM North. I cannot wait to see baby girl. We're gonna see her. Hopefully she cooperates. Sana makita namin yung mukha niya, katawan niya, lahat. We'll get a better, clear version of everything. Hopefully it all works out well. SM North is the branch that is nearest to us since we're people of the North. A little update. A lot has changed in our walk-in. Unang-una, we have the table here na. Diba ito yung vanity? Sorry guys, it's still very, very messy. But this is the vanity. This is my vanity talaga. Mirror goes there. And then here, this was Mark's office nung nasa Lanay. If you guys remember in our past vlogs, it's the same materials used, yung kahoy, yung kulay ng kahoy, and yung quartz. Pinaakyat ko na dito kasi di naman ginagamit ni Mark doon. Mas kailangan namin dito siya. And wala na rin kasi kaming mahanap na ganitong klaseng style and itsura ng vanity. It has to match to make everything flow perfectly. So we chose to bring this upstairs along with the bench that Mang Boy made. Yung bench naman, nasa kwarto namin. I'll show you that in a bit. Dito na namin siya linagay. This will be my office and my vanity. Pero yung lolo nyo, parang hinihingi rin niya yung site na to. Ay naku, he already got this whole wall. So sabi ko, saya na yan. Basta sa akin tong dalawang to. But yeah, we're just settling things. Hindi pa talaga tapos, guys. You don't even have curtains. You don't have blinds yet. But so far, everything is still organized and good. I'm really happy. Pero marami pang gamit na kailangan i-squeeze dyan. And the drawers are all full na and organized thanks to the drawer organizers that you saw. Pero the vanity is it's just nowhere done yet. Not even, hindi pa nga namin talagang ini-effort na ayusin pa to kasi wala pang chairs. Wala pa kaming rolling chairs. Wala pang curtains. So there'll be a chair here so I can go like from vanity to office or office, vanity, whatever. Magkapalit-palit yan. So far, I really, really love having this open design closet. I really, really like having yung itong open cabinets. I feel like I really, really made a good decision. See how open it is? Yeah. Alam mo guys, compared to, I've always had cabinets that were palaging nakasara, diba? And ang mahirap doon is, when you have that thinking na, nakasara naman, nakatago naman yung mga gamit sa loob, di naman halata. You tend to slow down and get the mad and always pushing aside the fact na aayusin mo siya. Hindi tulad pag open. Alam mo, lumalabas na yung pagka-OCD ko. Gusto ko talaga mag-ayos lagi. I love walking into everything organized, everything neat. So it makes me more sipag. Hindi na ako yung tulad dati na parang, saksak mo lang dyan, sige, saka ko na ayusin. Hindi. Kailangan, ayusin ko na agad kasi ayaw ko yung mukhang kalat. Besides, like, it'll ruin the whole idea of having this open walk-in closet. So that's like one positive, major positive things about having this kind of setup. Now I know why the IKEA PAX cabinets are super well known and super benta kasi nga ang ganda nga ng concept niya. I really love it. I love how I'm more disciplined in cleaning and being more organized. Because before, I'd always have that idea like, saksak mo lang dyan, sige, saka ako na ayusin yan. Pero yeah, that was a wrong idea. I haven't really been vlogging the usual vlogs. Like, ang dami kong naiisip na content and gusto ipakita sa inyo. Pero as of now, ang hirap talaga kasi we're all really just settling in pa. Everything is such a mess and everything. Ay naku, ang daming gastos. Alam mo, it's like, I thought yung gastos matatapos na pag nakasettle in na dito. Hindi, parang mas lalong dumadami yung gastos namin. Kasi, parang walang tigil, guys. Wala kaming katapusan. And on top of that, mahirap din, extra challenging sa akin kasi I can't really move as powerful and as active as I could because I am very, very pregnant. I'm my 3rd trimester na. And everything is heavy now. Everything is bloated. Everything is painful and sore. Ang hirap talaga kumilos, pero syempre, kailangan talaga kumilos, maglinis, magligpit. Tapos, ang ano pa dyan is also blessing naman is si Mark, maraming work, so he's barely at home. He was barely at home the past few days, so it was really just me and my mom. Plus, yung helper namin na ilang years na sa amin, like I think 18, 19 years na sa amin. She finally retired na, umuwi na siya sa province niya. She said her goodbye. So we're really living life right now with no helper whatsoever. Wala talaga. As in. So far, guys, it's actually really nice. I mean, magandang teamwork namin ni Mommy when it comes to cooking, cleaning, washing the dishes, doing the laundry. Nakakatuloy yung laundry machine and dryer namin. It's so easy to use. And buti na lang si Corky, medyo mapapabayaan mo na siya. Basta may toy siya, basta may mapapanood siya sa iPad niya. Medyo maiiwan mo na siya and medyo nagko-cooperate na rin siya. Like, pwede mo na rin siyang utus-utusan. Ang mahirap lang dyan, pag nanganak na ako. Yun ang mahirap kasi it's like back to zero. Plus, we don't have an extra helper. Guys, if there's anyone out there who wants to apply for us, we're open. Na-realize ko rin, mas kailangan namin ng boy. I can't carry things. Mark can't carry things. My mom can't really carry things. Mommy and Mark both have back pains na. So it's very hard for them to carry things around. If I wasn't this pregnant, I could probably carry things around more than my mom, obviously, because my mom is a senior citizen na. Pero, I can't carry a thing. Mas kailangan namin ng boy. And ang nahihirapan kami ni Mami, yung sa paglinis sa labas. Yung walis, tapos yung pagmamap sa labas, paglampaso. Pero when it comes to inside cleaning, like vacuuming, cleaning the dust, lampaso, kaya na namin yon. The past few days, I don't know what it is, but I have been waking up severely early. Hindi ko alam kung dahil lang feel ko na bahay na namin to, kaya talagang eager ako and excited akong gumising ng maaga. I wake up at 7 a.m. almost every day na. Minsan 6 a.m., minsan 5:30, but latest is 7. Pinaka-late was 8. That was because super puyat ako. Gaayos kami ng gamit ni Mark. Usually, the past few days, I would wake up around 6, 7. Hi, Cookie!
Ew.
What's that?
Ew.
Stico, say hi to the vlog. Yeah. Hi, vlog. Hindi tulad nung, syempre, nakatira pa kami sa bahay ng parents, sa lumang bahay, sa dating bahay. So, we would wake up so late. Well, syempre kasi doon, it's like, maraming taong kikilos for us. Room kasi noon, we had no natural light coming in. It was very dark, so it still felt like nighttime. Hindi tulad dito na, oh my God. Ang daming bintana and wala pa nga ang kortina, so lalong gigising kami talaga kasi napakaliwanag niya. So much natural light is coming in. Talagang hindi mo na kailangan mag-alarm clock. Actually, I even beat my alarm clock. I always put my alarm clock at 8 a.m. I'm already awake by 6. That's how it is. I never thought that would happen to me. Pero malaking bagay din yung the fact that, you know, this is your place, this is your kingdom, this is your house na, and you just want to do so many things. Like, I wake up, I have a routine na Listerine, toothbrush, hilamos, sunblock, bring my laptop, iPhone, everything that I need, go downstairs, breathe in fresh air. Kasama ko na rin si Mark and Corky bumaba, pero usually it's just me and Mark going down kasi si Corky tulog pa. And then I automatically make coffee for Mark, and then I make breakfast, and that's just been the routine. I do so many other things after that, like I can edit the vlog. I don't know, I love this routine that I'm slowly discovering in myself. Marami na akong bagay na nagagawa na maximize ko yung oras ko, and everything is just like, I am just so Organized. I love how organized my life is becoming ever since I moved into the house. And I think a big part of that is really owning your own house. It really changes you. It really makes you grow. Hindi tulad noon nung, syempre, when you're under your parents' house, when you're under your parents' roof, you still have that lazy feeling na parang bahala na, happy-go-lucky, ganon. Pero here, it's like everything gets serious and then you really have to make an effort for yourself. Kasi walang mangyayari sa'yo kung hindi ka rin kikilos, di ba? Puro evolving talaga for both Mark and I. Even Mark, nagugulat ako. Si Mark, paglilinis ang lolo mo. Nakita ko nung isang araw, nagkukuskus ng tiles dyan sa CR. Meron siyang biniling brush. Puro, yung binili niya sa Shopee ba o Temu? Nagkukuskus siya ng sink. I was laughing so hard. And after that, I heard the vacuum upstairs. When I was downstairs cooking, narinig ko nagva-vacuum si Heras dito sa kwarto namin. Both of us were never like that before. Now, I do a lot of housework also. I love to clean. I love to cook. Every day, I vacuum. I don't like alikabok. I don't like dust bunnies. I don't like gulo. Nababaliw ako, di ako mapakali. Nagiging OCD ako. Pero, or if it's just the mommy in me, or it's just, syempre, we work so hard on this house. So it's like, we don't want anything bad to happen to the house. When you work so hard for something, you treat it like your newborn baby. Like, walang pwedeng, hindi siya pwedeng masaktan, hindi siya pwedeng madumihan. Ang problema na lang ngayon is, kala namin, ang dami pang kailangang bilhin, ang dami pang kulang gamit, ang dami pang kulang na gamit, ang dami pang Pero, unti-unti. Huwag natin biglayin ng mga bagay-bagay, di ba? Guys, I just love doing my makeup in this room. The other day, I did my makeup. And then, when I went downstairs, sabi ng mami ko, ang ganda ng makeup mo. Tapos sabi ko, nakikita ko na kasi talaga dahil sa ilaw, dahil sa natural lighting. Kasi dati nga, I do my makeup, sitting down on the bed, I had nothing like this. I had no table, I had no vanity. I had before Corky, I had that, pero nawala. Kasi syempre, we had to make space for the baby. And now that we're here, this is like super level up for me. I never had this kind of a setup even before Corky in the old house. So, you can imagine how excited I am to set this up. But it's very overwhelming kasi napakagastos pala. Yung mga binili ko para mag-organize dito, yung mga drawer compartments and yung mga drawer organizers and yung mga para sa CR, mga trays, mga lalagyan ng ganito ganyan, mga kotetot para mukhang organized and malinis. Oh my God, ang laki ng ginastos ko. Sa Shopee lang yun. I do not know. Kahit sa Shopee, I think it was on the sale pa nga. Tapos, Diyos ko, ang laki pa ng ginastos ko. Kulang pa. Kasi like, I have so many ideas for the office and the vanity. And I don't even have a mirror yet. I need a big mirror. And we don't even have full-size body mirrors din pala. Ang dahil pang kulang. Ay, nako. Ayoko mo nang isipin. Actually, ang kailangang unahin is the curtain and blind. So, that is on the way. Like, yun yung unang-unahin talaga. Kasi yun yung importante. Because our room, this area and the masters, the balcony is there. So, when it hits hapon, mga 3 to 5, it's super hot here. Yung araw talaga nakatutok sa amin. And kailangan talagang magkaroon ng curtain na blackout, ma-block yung init. So it's like when you're here around those hours, it's like you're being toasted in the oven. It is hot. And kawawa rin yung mga gamit namin. Pero syempre pag naka-on yung aircon, it's cold na. Okay na yung We're getting there. Like, there's progress going on. Like, little small wins. Sakto, guys. I'm shooting this the day of Monday of Holy Week. Marami kaming oras na mag-ayos and maglinis. Lalo na si Mark. Si Mark, alam mo, nakakaawa. Kasi parang, sakto kasi nung nakalipat na kami dito, doon naman pumasok ang mga maraming niyang work. Marami siyang movies, yung indie films that he's doing right now. And, ayaw niyang umalis ng bahay kasi hindi siya mapakali. Kasi unang-una wala kami mga gamit niya. Gusto niyang ayusin, kalikutin. Lalong-lalo na yung mga isda niya. What's hard though is wala pa yung mga fish niya, aquarium niya. Alam ko this Holy Week niyang planong gawin yon kasi kailangan na talaga. So I think after this ultrasound, yun yung aasikasuhin niya. I have been so happy and so thankful for everything. And all I'm gonna do in Holy Week is we're just gonna stay at home and pray and fix the house and just be grateful for God and to remember all the sacrifices He went through and all the sufferings and how He went through all of that for us. Okay guys, let's go see baby girl. Guys, ito yung sinasabi kong bench, remember? Yan yung kasama nung office table ni Mark na pinagawa rin namin. May mga cabinets and laman na yan sa loob. You can store so many things in there. Tapos, I'm going to buy pillows and beddings for this. So, it's super soft to sit on. May mapapatong kang mga bag. So, we decided to put it there muna for the meantime.
Napagkakakita mo sa lobby ng pag na kayo, parang parking.
Move! Move! Move ikaw, dali!
Caterpillar.
Lalikod.
Nakadapa po ba siya?
Oo. Ayun o. Hi, baby.
Sleeping ko kailan nagising ka?
Kaya mong tumagilid.
Yes po.
Papunta doon.
Okay.
Okay, sige.
Ano pa lang siya?
Para siya si Majin Buu ah.
Baby. Dito ka maharap.
Ako parang masungit.
Ayun ang pet niya, oh.
Maldita.
Parang naninag ko yung nakatingin sa kagano'n siya. Oh. Naka yung kamay niyo po ba sa pisngi niya?
Teka. Parang
Ay,
nakaganon siya, patagilid na nakaganyan eh.
Ayan na, parang
Ayan, oh.
pinaka-baby.
Teka. I-ano natin.
Yan na yung braso niya oh.
Yes. Yan, napaganyan niya sa zero.
Ay, oo.
Oh.
Ayun siya.
Ayun siya, nakapatagilid oh. Ito yung shoulder niya. Tapos ang pisngi niya, oh, mabilog na. Hey, ayan oh, yung likod niya yan, sir eh.
Sleeping.
Oo. Ano ba gusto mong music, be? Ha? You want music? Baby, harap dito, be.
Suplada.
Mukhang sutil din eh.
Parang nag-roll ng mata eh oh. Parang
Sayang.
umiirap na itchy ah.
I-week niyo akong kumilos.
Ano yata yan? Itchy, music yan. Pagkain.
Pero di pa ako nagla-lunch.
Gusto mo ba mag-lunch muna?
Hindi, okay lang po.
Oo, kasi ayaw niyang gumalaw eh. Ang ano ko nun, para magbago lang din siya ng posisyon.
Aha.
Kasi ngayon parang patagilid lang talaga siya eh.
Hey! Kanina siya nag-ano siya eh.
Kaya nga eh.
Baka
minsan-
nakatulog sa
Kasi
biyahe.
ganun talaga sila eh. Meron silang time na ano. Pictorial tayo eh. Wake up ikaw.
Ay, naku.
Sana dito. Hindi inom.
Kaya pala minsan
Oo.
dyan, yung naiihi
Diba?
ako bigla.
Oo, kasi parang dinudunggan niya yung pantog mo eh. Kaya... Kumain muna kami ng lunch kasi di pa kami nagla-lunch ni Hera.
So alas na lang kung
Kumain muna kami dito sa Chili's because ayaw magpakita ni Mi. Napakahimbing ng tulog niya. Sumisiksik talaga siya sa akin. Sa ano no? Sa ilalim, sa lower area, yung ulo niya. So, we cannot get a good shot. So, sabi ni Doc, walk around a little and eat muna. I have to eat because I'm really hungry. Maybe that's why she's not as active. She's not happy dancing. She needs to eat.
this sounds good to you, please share the following videos. Like this kind of channel. Sarap eh.
You like the flip?
7 Oh, better. Order pa tayo. Welcome po.
Thank you, thank you. Sunglass. Where's your sunglass?
Stars, oh.
Hi guys! We got a package. It finally arrived and we can't wait to show all of you. We are officially gonna see baby girl. Pero ito, sneak peek muna tayo. So guys, we're gonna see baby girl very, very soon na. Gosh, ang bilis ng panahon. Are you ready?
What?
Are you ready?
Is she ready?
Is she ready? Here is a sneak peek of what's to come. Yan kami. Wala si Corky nun, guys. Naiwan siya dito sa bahay. Nagbonding sila ng grandma niya, nana niya. Can they see it?
Ayan guys, can you see it?
Sinong kamukha, guys? If you guys can see, comment down below kung sino
Ay,
ang...
kuya, ay!
Kung sino ang...
Ay!
Kung sino ang kamukha.
Koki,
Koki!
oh. Big sister, oh. Look. Ay na.
Oy na!
Daddy.
Are you excited for baby sister, Cookie? Wait, I'll show it here.
Yeah.
Can you hold it up, Michi? Yan, guys. So, that's how she looks like.
Parang maldita eh.
Parang ano eh.
Parang sungit eh.
Ito yung nightmare ni Heras, ah. You ready?
Is she ready? Ayan to, baby, Bond, ultrasound. Maraming salamat po for doing first Victorian. Ayan, thank you guys. If you want to check their
We went to the SM North
SM
branch.
North branch. Ayan. So,
Pero alam ko they have more branches. Just check their IG.
Yes, po, check nila.
I'll
Follow.
list it down here, yung info nila.
Yeah.
Show everybody, guys, ang gulo-gulo ng salas. Pasensyahan nyo na. Marami pang ipopost na ay, hindi pa pwede pakita pala. But,
Come on. Okay, for your cheeks.
uy, sus.
Smile. Simple eyes.
Si kuya na yan eh. Kuya Corky.
Kuya, baby.